My name is Ramesh Krish. I am an Indian filmmaker. I like to share my experience with upcoming filmmakers. As you know, sharing experience is the key. Now there is a ton of tech to get the job done. Do you think only tech can make a job done? No. Now let's talk in detail. You have a beautiful story in your hand. You want to make it a film and show it to audience. First thing, what you need a producer who can invest. Then a suitable artist who will be suitable for the story. Then comes the technicians who will understand the story and work with involvement. Do you think this all is enough for a filmmaking? No. Assume that your producer is ready to invest money, but he doesn't have any experience in movie making. Then what will happen? He has to select a very honest production manager. He is the one who will decide the producer's fate. If he is not going to control the production or design the production in right way, then the movie on the release date it will have a deficit. It will go more than a budget what they planned. So for an inexperienced producer need a very honest production manager. Otherwise everything will collapse. Then comes the art director, very expensive part of filmmaking. Set making, properties, ambience, location charges, everything goes in control of art director. If he is not honest on the cost, on the labor cost, and everything, higher charges of the properties, if he is not honest, everything is going to be doubled, and cost wise that is going to disturb the producer's budget. What he planned will spoil. So next comes the cameraman. He is the man who paints the scene with lights, light and shade. He orders for a lights, 100 lights, but he use only 10 lights on the day for that scene, particular scene. Then the 90 lights will lie down, it will be sleeping on the floor. Then it's absolutely waste. High charge. Everything is waste. Sometimes they'll talk for a package. Outdoor unit will be in package. Any number of lights, any number of you can take it. But see, if you order for 10 lights, 5 to 6 lightmans will come and one generator will come. For generator man and his assistant, and some it will be not more than 9. But the 100 lights and 4 generators for that, it will go to some 40 to 50 lightman and generator mans and everything, electrician. So cost wise it will increase once again. You know, cameraman will get 25% commission for the total outdoor bill. Most of the people doesn't know this. So he'll increase everything. He'll increase every equipments, extra equipments which will cost more. Then it is apart from package. The extra special equipments will cost extra. In everything, cameraman has 25% commission. So, you need a good cameraman with honesty. So, you may think I didn't talk about director. See, these 3 production managers, art director, cameraman, everybody is controlled by a captain of the ship, so-called director. If director have a dirty mind, everybody will be corrupted, and the budget what he gave will go up, and the producer will be in a deficit while the film is releasing. The budget which was planned will be doubled or tripled or 10 times sometimes also. Then see what will happen to the newcomer, new producer. He'll come and he'll go. That's all. So we have to select the captain of the ship. If a ship doesn't have a good captain, the ship will drown into the sea. And the people traveling in it will also they die. Like that, a filmmaking, so we call the director is the captain of the ship and filmmaking. So if he travels in a good way, honest way, the producer also will be saved.